Drilling hole with full circulation. During this process, drilling is performed while mud is being circulated to lift the cuttings to the surface. The drill string consists of a bit, drill collars, and drill pipe. The drill string rotates while circulating mud down the drill pipe. While drilling, the mud circulates by pumping up through the analyst. The mud then continues to the shakers where the earth cuttings are removed from the circulated mud. The mud is then circulated back to the mud tanks where the mud is mixed. The mud is then pumped through the mud pumps to the standpipe. The mud goes through the standpipe to the rotary hose where the mud is then pumped back down the drill pipe.